Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into PlayStation website step by step. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in PlayStation. Here you must tap on sign in at the top right of your screen. Then you must enter your sign in ID, which is your email address, hit next, and then enter your password and verify your email to sign in. But if you've not created your account, simply hit create an account. In case you'll have to hit create. After that, you'll have to select the language, hit next, select your date of birth, hit next, select your email, hit next, and follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to verify your email and create a password for your account to create an account of your PlayStation. The device that you're trying to create your account on will automatically log you into your PlayStation account. If it is a different device, then you'll have to follow the earlier steps to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.